Fivem won't start. Let's crush those launch errors and get you back in the game. First, a quick sanity check. Try simply restarting your computer. It sounds basic, but it often clears minor glitches. If that doesn't do it, let's move on. Head over to your task manager, see if any Fivem processes are hanging in the background. If you find them, right-click and select End Task to shut them down completely. Then, try launching Fivem again. Next, we're going to inspect your Fivem application data folder. This folder is located in your app data local directory. Delete the cache and cache_priv folders entirely. This can resolve corrupted data issues. Now, let's verify your graphics settings. Some settings and software can crash Fivem. If you have recently upgraded your graphics card drivers, try updating them also. Make sure your in-game graphical settings are relatively moderate, as it might be the problem. Finally, a file check. It's essential to ensure that your Fivem installation is in the correct directory. If possible, make sure your program is updated. If the problem persists, reach out to the Fivem community for further assistance.